Some form of continuous conversation has a hugely positive impact over doing it once a year. And everybody's figured that out. That secret's out. The question is how? What tools do you buy?
There is this chatbot called Amber, which is outside. They reach out to every individual. So on a single day, you can go and meet 800 people. The chatbot can meet 800 people and tell you these 18 people are the ones that you got to meet individually.
Amazing that, I today get a report and the CEO on employee anniversary, whether it's 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and such amazing insight from employees, which I'm very sure that, even if I had tripled the number of HR people in my team, and even if they had spent 4 times the number of hours with each employee, that kind of insight wouldn't have come.
When you move to a tech product company like Makemytrip, which has around 2,000 guys, right? Everybody has a very different set of requirements. By the time you get an annual survey, and nothing against annual surveys, half of the population is gone. Half of the people who are affected, they start getting defensive about the findings because 30% people have moved out.
I think what I heard Biplob mentioning towards the end, Amber is a startup that you've kind of taken on. So any experiences you have?
Amber was a great experience for us where it was more interactive. To be honest, when you talk about employee centricity, the way Amber works also has given a good experience for us that it's more a very, very interactive platform. We were able to really capture some of the key aspects or the improvement areas within the team effectiveness.
Every employee is seen in a very different way. Every employee is seen from his or her life cycle in the organization.
Most companies define it as a project of looking at the moments that matter, the transitions, the periods of time in your career when you are under some form of stress, and what can we do in HR to make that easier?
And this is a change in the nature of engagement, where you used to get the organization-wide engagement score, which you could do nothing with 6 months later. Here, on a daily basis, I could get a view on that individual. So here, N is equal to 1.
Keep the spirit. Zor se. Yes. Zindabad, Bandhu. Have an extraordinary life.